Pride for London Ambulance Service is really important. It's a recognition of the diversity and the equality that we have in our organisation. I lost my mum when I was quite young, but I can openly remember trying to explain to my dad that I was gay or that I was different. So I wrote him a letter, and it was a very long letter explaining everything that you try to, and you know that this is the person that you are and this is how I identify and this is me happy. And unfortunately I've not heard from him from that day to this. I wouldn't want it to have lived a lie. I'm proud of the person I am, I'm proud of my identity, and I'm proud to share that with the organisation to help other people see the same thing. I think if someone's going to be homophobic to a member of our staff, that's not going to change. I think the testament is to our staff that they carry on and treat them regardless. And that's absolute testament to the quality of care that our staff provide. Pride is a perfect example of, I suppose, allowing people to see that we are human beings. You know, as they say, love is love, and we're here to help people as much as we are here to be helped ourselves sometimes. I think it's really good for our staff to be able to enjoy the day and celebrate their identity, and I think it's good for our community to see us and the way that we support them.